what would be the good time to start thinking of buying these value stocks, including HSBC and Standard Chartered, despite all the geopolitical tensions?
I think in terms of like HSBC, there's still a lot of problems in terms of like what you're mentioning. Okay, geopolitical risk. I think basically U.S. and China, and Europe, and I think all those problems. I think HSBC right now is caught in the middle. So I don't think there's a really easy point to address that right now. So I guess the earliest time would be probably see if after the U.S. elections whether there would be any change in like these kinds of policies right now. But then I guess in the near term, I guess in the next few months, I don't think there's going to be any change on that. So I guess like there will still be problems plaguing with HSBC. And also in terms of reviewing their dividend, I think the Bank of London basically is saying, okay, nothing's going to change until at least the end of the year. So I guess like if you really have to look at HSBC, then I guess it's probably more towards the end of the fourth quarter, more towards the end of the year before we will start relooking.
Kevin, do you think investors have accurately priced in the risks of being effectively caught in the middle between China and the U.S. at the moment? Because some investors may say this is a hard thing to put a price tag on.
Yeah, it's hard to put a price tag on, but then, okay, besides geopolitical risk, I guess like people are sort of, if you look at in terms of like their credit provision and in terms of numbers, I guess like people can sort of put a price on that front. But then provisions are always like depending on management, like how much provisions they want to put in. So I guess there's some room on that. So, but then if you look at the share price performance over the past few months, it's been kind of trending down. It's basically still hitting a multi-year low. So I guess like people have been sort of gradually pricing in increasingly sort of pessimistic scenarios in. So I guess like so that's why I'm saying like whatever results come out, unless they look really great, otherwise then there might be a share rebound. But then if it looks really bad, I don't think the share price will get a whole lot worse than what it is right now.